everyone, it's Thursday, October 8th. Today you are going to use your story from yesterday, the civil piece, to kind of figure out the dialogue rules. So what you need to do after you're done checking in on campus is to click on Dialogue Rules Assignment. It's going to ask you to make a copy like usual. And then once this is uploaded, you need to read the questions that are on the side here, and then you need to look through the story and find an example of that. So the first question is, how does the author indicate that someone is speaking out loud? You need to go and look through your story from yesterday, a civil piece, find an example of someone speaking out loud, put it here. It's on a PDF, so you can copy and paste if you want. And then you need to look at the punctuation, look at what's happening in that, and then you need to explain what you think the rule is. So, for example, if we have this quote that we've taken from the story, we can notice that there are quotation marks around whatever the person is saying. So then you just type that rule in over here. You need to fill out the rest of this sheet. You're going to be using a civil piece to figure out all of these rules. After you submit it, I'm going to look through it and put together a master copy of your rules so that you know what to do when you are doing your narrative. To turn it in, you can go to either Schoology or to the agenda slide. You can click here and turn it in there. It's due by the end of the hour. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.